on the walk. I've been went on one for like 3 days already. So let's go. Ah! Hey, what are you guys doing? Are those your eggs? Yeah. All right. Do this.
$500.
Okay, let's go. Go.
Thank you, kind sir, for saving our village from these evil monsters. Sir, excuse me. Sir.
Who are you?
Sir, I'd like to thank you for saving our village from these monsters. Me and my grandson are so proud.
Well, I think I want to destroy that place now so they never build one again.
Oh,
Yeah!
oh, yes. What?